Hey, this is Ken here from Optimum RV with the Vengeance Rogue 29 KS from Forest Rover. Here, just doing your walkthrough video of this camper, showing you all the nicks and knacks, uh, all the parts and sections of the camper. Just giving you a quick walkthrough video. Your propane tanks are in here. I'll get this open for you so you can actually see that the tanks are in there. Yep. As you can see, propane tanks are in there. They are secure in the compartment right here. Right back on for you so you can actually see that it does open and close. Battery bay right here with an actual battery in there. You can see, go, battery. Make sure that goes back on properly, sealed, safe. As we go around, we have our fresh water connect and our city water connect right there. Right here, you have your spray port. You have your outdoor shower right here. Close it right there. You have a flush tank right there, and then right here you have a storage space. And then you have your hot water heater right here as well. Show you camper. I already have it fully opened up for you, so we're just gonna head right inside. Underneath here you have your dump tanks right here. Right here you have your gray, your holding tank, and your black tank right here. Dump them all both from that panel right there. It is a fully enclosed underbelly. I'll show you that when we get to the other side so you can actually have a good view of the camper. Now you have your cable satellite right there. You have your 30 amp power supply right there. And right here you have a vent for when you have a toy running in the inside. Here is the cable to hold the ramp up. As you can see, it's in good condition. Have it all opened up for you so we can take a good walk around. Here's the other cable. As you can see, that's also in good condition. Awning all the way out. Right here you have the fuel station. And we have your fuel tank right there. You can turn the pump on and off. 2 axles, your stairs. Here we have a speaker. And another speaker right there, and a TV mount, as well as a dog leash on this end. And down at that end down there. 2 entry doors to get into the camper, as you can see. And then we have another storage area right here. As you can see, all the way through storage. It's not all the way through. There's a little bit of a separation. Separate the 2 sides. There's your solar charge controller. Alright, then I'll show you guys that the awning is in good condition, as you can see. No rips or tears. Alright, now I'll show you guys underneath the camper as well. Okay, got you guys a video of underneath the camper, as you can see. It's all fully enclosed. Right here you have your propane hookups. Your quick connects for your propane. And then on the other side, as you can see, there's your dump tanks again. On that side right there. We'll go over, check on the other side. As you can see, fully enclosed all the way underneath. No rips or tears in that underbelly. All right, Then I'll give you a walkthrough of the interior of the camper now. As we make our way up, we enter the camper. It's all nice and opened up for you. You see speakers on the interior right there. Lights and more speakers. You have 2 chairs right here. Towards the back, you have this drop-down bed. You have these 2 couches that turn out into a bed as well, and then they go up back in the sofas, and then they get put away along the side of the wall. You walk out onto the back. You have this nice open porch with the gates already installed for you, and you have 2 mesh gates that drop down, give you some privacy if you want to have your back down but your interior covered. You do have a backup camera on this camper already. Then we'll go back inside, and right by the entry door there's all your controls for your lights and your slide and your awning and your tank levels. You can also check right there. This couch should jackknife out into a bed as well. We'll do that. Turn that out into a bed. There you go. It's another sleeping space for you. Then we're in the kitchen. Do have a radio right here. A lot of cabinetry space. Your disconnect for your battery is right there as well. Central air conditioner right here. Refrigerator. Super clean and perfect condition. Deep sink with the part we replaced with the faucet already, and a pump for soap. Storage underneath. A 3-burner stove with an oven and a microwave. And you have cabinetry on this side. You have a thermostat right there, as you can see. Does work. Then we go into the bathroom. Already have that fan on to show you that it works. I'll turn that off so we can get more quiet in here. Your sink right here. You have this cabinet space right here. Already has water running in the system, but we'll clear that out, no problem. As you can see, and there's a shower right here. With a skylight up there. You have some storage on this side. And the toilet right there. And then there's a entry door and directly into your bedroom from the bathroom, which is always nice. And as you're in your bedroom, you have another entry door that leads right back out into the camper directly. Lead right back into the kitchen towards the rest of the camper, and then right back into the bedroom where you have storage all around. This bed with this nice memory foam mattress. You lift up your bed, you'll see that we have storage underneath. There we go. Storage underneath your bed, as you can see. That one leads directly to that exterior storage that we saw earlier. And you have a quick access to that tank right there. There we go. Get that bed down. You do have plugs on both sides of your bed, as well as that generator inverter. And then you have some USB plugs right here. And that's how deep your storage gets. And we have the above storage as well. 3 cabinet doors. And then this one as well. TV mount right here for the bedroom. TV mounts right there, plugs in. And we'll go back out. Just one more look on the exterior. As well as another TV mount right there. And we'll take one more look at the outside of the camper. Take one more walk around as we look at the camper. Show you that it is in good, pretty great condition. All right, that's that Vengeance Rogue 29 KS from Forest River.